What's going on, y'all? Another video. So in this video, me and my boy Boogie, we're about to be looking over some stocks, some stock information. About to do a quick little Q&A just so you guys understand stocks a little bit better. I'm still on my beginning journey of learning stocks, but I've been seeing the results and I'm definitely getting a return, a crazy return. And my boy Boogie, he put me on. So anytime I'm talking about stocks on this channel, we're gonna be with my boy Boogie. It's gonna be a theme, it's gonna be stocks with Boogie. We're about to go to a quick coffee shop. We're about to just break these stocks down, see what's going up, see what's not doing so hot. Just wanted to give value, show you guys what the stocks life is all about, show you guys how to trade, buy, sell these stocks, and just want to give you guys some good information. Again, I've been having some crazy returns because of the game that Boogie been putting me on with. There's so many stocks, there's so many businesses to invest in. So we're gonna be talking about which ones we're investing in and why. And yeah, we just about to be giving out game, free game. Hey, why not? Stay tuned. I'm gonna start recording again when we get to the coffee shop. Okay, so yeah, what is the platform that you use to look at stocks?
TradingView.
Okay, yep.
So I'm looking at Chipotle right now.
Now, why Chipotle?
Looking at Chipotle here on the weekly chart, you can see it's trading at about a previous all-time high. That's a key level of support. You can see that it held up before here.
39. That's not a bad buy-in at all. So is it on a pullback right now?
The restaurant industry is on a pullback due to the tariffs and then people not spending as much right now. But I think Chipotle is a great buy right now. CNC, but you know I'm in that one.
I don't know why I keep forgetting what CNC is.
Corporation. I believe that's how you say it.
Energy? Why do I
No,
keep thinking energy?
they're a healthcare.
Healthcare. What was that other healthcare stock that went up? United Healthcare?
UNH.
Yeah.
They're not even up that much right now. They're up 42% from lows, but they're still down 47% from their all-time high.
UNH?
Yep.
These are not bad buy-ins either. Are you sure CNC is a good bet? Because I was looking at their history, and the history hasn't been looking too hot. Yeah, Robinhood is snapping, bro. Really turning into an all-around trading.
Yeah. Robinhood?
Yeah.
It's crazy. They got everything on there now, bro. They're giving people like 4.5%, 5% APY on their savings.
For Robinhood?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nah, Robinhood been looking out. So far we got Chipotle we looking at, CNC we looking at,
UPS.
Let's take a look.
And right now I see they got a bullish divergence too on the daily and weekly chart.
I feel like UPS will always be doing good.
Always, but they're actually on a downturn right now.
I see.
Bullish divergence is actually a sign of a reversal. So a reversal could be coming in soon, and they're down over 60% from highs.
CNC kind of scary though, because I'm seeing like
No,
3 months.
Their revenue is still up.
Look at that.
That's great. That's what you want, brother.
So this is what you're looking at before you buy a stock?
Yeah.
Like what they're making?
So look at their revenue, 125, 140.
What else are you looking at?
It's going up every year. Their gross profits. That's the thing with them is their gross profits been down a little bit, but they're always going to be in business because they're partnered with Medicaid, all the state insurances.
Okay.
All the free state insurances. Basically, they're
Medicare, Medicaid.
Yep.
UPS.
They're kind of shifting their business model a little bit.
What's the new business model?
So they were doing a lot of packages for Amazon, but they were getting super low margins on those. So they're gonna stop with that, and then they did lay off a lot of workers, which is a good and a bad thing.
Ooh, FedEx been on one. They're expensive, hella expensive though.
Starbucks, I did talk about that one. They're not down crazy from their highs, but Starbucks is always a good company. They pay dividends too.
I heard Starbucks is partnering with the Olympics.
Probably.
Or sponsoring the Olympics.
And now they do have that new protein they're adding to their coffee line.
That's
which is interesting.
It'll be coffee and then just like if you wanted.
Yeah, and they're gonna upcharge for probably $3 to $5.
That'll work.
And I think a lot of people will do it.
What does it mean when it says your average cost? It says your market value and then your average cost.
Your average per share that you bought.
Gotcha.
So if you got 4 shares and they're at different prices, it'll just average it out.
Uptown on the run, now I'm on the roadside. Been betting out when I went up. I've been out on my own like, yeah, we on. I done run the score up, now it's all bedtime. Take no breaks, no halftime. I've been counting through it all just to see it pass time. Like for no vid, know I had to run the pin, little babe. Sun out till I burn up, my hood jacket, true, little babe. Had to think of my words, like, had to say that I worked to the life. I gave my soul to his life, gave my heart and soul to this life. All the time we think we had is no good. Why'd you have to leave me with no closure? Roll the dice and hope it lands the best way. I would rather hear your voice the next day. I'm saying what we had was more than strong. I see right through it just to have it all. I think you really think we lost it all, but if we did, then now we get this far. Hope you see me. Hope you see me. I hope you hear me. Just hope you hear me. Down on the run, now I'm on the roadside. Been betting out when I went up. I've been out on my own like, yeah, we on. I done run the score up, now it's all bedtime. Take no breaks, no halftime. I've been counting through it all just to see it pass time. Like for no vid, know I had to run the pin, little babe. Sun out till I burn up, my hood jacket, true, little babe. Had to think of my words, like, had to say that I worked to the life. I gave my soul to his life, gave my heart and soul to this life.
But what you are witnessing from this man is unlike anything we have seen. I mean, just the disrespect, the lack of appreciation. That's blasphemous.
And I got that 10 million in my jar. Nigga play, he gon' get stuck to the wall. And nigga trash smoke, he's out, he pouring force. Let him out that bitch, yeah, free my boy. Over north, might just speed off from the Porsche. You gon' see my niggas on force. Yeah, oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Money on my team, I'm rolling with shoulders. I'm talking money, nigga, you making excuses. My diamond shit and I like my bitches bullshit. Sparkle wood in the foreign day, I'm cruising. Wanna see my niggas on, we been through it. Had that cop again, yeah, I ran through it. Over north, nigga, probably your biggest influence. Wake up, chase a check, yeah, I'm getting to it. Wake up, chase a check, yeah, I'm getting to it. We getting bands over here, nigga, join the movement. I can show you young niggas, yeah, how to do it. What I say? But I got that 10 million in my jaw. Nigga play, he gon' get stuck to the wall. And they trash smoke, how they pouring force. Let him out that bitch, yeah, free my boy. Over north, might just pull up on the porch. You gon' see my niggas on Forbes. I promise you that, nigga. You gon' see my niggas on Forbes. Nigga, I'ma take your bitch out of course. Yeah, you can see my niggas on Forbes. Yeah, you gon' see my niggas on Forbes. Around the world, we gon' tour. On Forbes. You gon' see my niggas on Forbes. See my niggas on Forbes. Nigga, yeah, we want it all. Nigga, yeah, we came
Quick Q&A for the people. We're about to just give out pure game. All right, so usually before you buy a stock, what do you look for before you invest in that company?
So the first thing I usually look for is to make sure that I know what the business model is. So you don't really want to invest in anything if you don't know what they do or how they work. And then I look at the financials, so the revenue, their margins, their income statement, things like that, which you could all find that on Yahoo Finance, Webull, different websites.
So I'm just buying shares right now, but
Yeah.
you're buying leaps,
Yeah.
swings, all the other shit.
Yeah, right now I'm really focused on leaps and shares though, right now.
What is the difference between leaps and shares?
Leaps are a long-term anticipated equity return. So it's basically a leverage return on shares. You could get a leap for say $2,000 to $3,000 on a a company that's trading around like 80 to 100 bucks instead of buying 100 shares for 8,000 or however
Right,
much it would be,
exactly.
you pay 2,000 and have a contract for 2 to 3 years out.
That's kind of crazy. What do you usually feel comfortable doing?
I'm comfortable with, I'd say like a year to 6 months minimum. I like 2 years out more though.
How do you know the right time to buy a stock? Like, what's the right time?
So I usually look for companies that are down, which is kind of ironic to some people that invest, but I look for companies that are down like 30 to 60%.
30 to 60.
You can't really time.
That's scary.
Yeah. For a lot of people, it's scary, but to me, I love it. I love seeing companies that are down, doing good with their financials, but they're going down.
So you know there's all types of different stocks. You got clothing brand stocks. What am I thinking of? Department?
Sectors.
Yeah.
So
like
there's the different sectors. Right now, the biggest sectors that are down that I'm looking for leaps in is healthcare, the restaurant industry, stuff like that, consumer stuff.
Yeah, you really can't go wrong with the tech industry. Like that's gonna keep going up.
Yeah, for sure.
Keep going up forever now.
Yeah,
Forever.
over 90% of households use FI.
When you have a stock and it starts going down, where's like your head at?
At first, it was a little scary, but once you understand how it works and you understand that you don't want to put your full size or full position in at one time, so you want to do something that's called averaging in. You just got to hold, really, man. You got to have belief in your trades.
Tell them real quick, because people relate best when they actually see shit happen. So,
Yeah.
Have you made more money on Irene or Lyft since you got leaps for both?
Irene, I got in it when it was lower. So I got in Irene when it was trading around $8 or $9. It's trading around like 40 right now.
Yeah.
Around $40, yep. So I'm up about like 500%, 600% off that one.
That is insane, bro. So when you buy leaps, that's basically like buying 100 shares.
It's not buying 100 shares, but it's a contract to own 100 shares. So you have the option to buy 100 shares.
So we got leaps, we got shares.
Got shares.
Now swings.
A swing could be anywhere from 2 weeks to 3 to 4 months out, which is a little more risky. You got to know what you're doing. Leaps are a little bit safer if you don't want to look at the charts every day or watch your stock every day. Swings are a little more hands-on, and you got to understand technicals a little bit more. Say you have a 10% drop in a day, that could make your contracts go down 50, 60%
Okay.
on a swing. In terms of a leap, it could have went down 10 to 12%, something like that. Nothing crazy. Swings and day trading is more on the risky side. And there's something called paper trading if people don't know about that. It's basically like simulated trading
Tough.
if you want to practice.
Tough.
So they have it on TradingView. I'm not sure if they have it on Robinhood yet. I know you can add stuff to a watch list, which is kind of like paper trading with options on Robinhood. Yeah, on TradingView and a couple other things. Just play with it, learn the stuff. And most people are getting 10 to 12%
Yeah.
yearly return. So if you think about it, I mean, it's a lot better than what most people are getting.
So these stocks are actually adding on top of your money. You're actually making money by just investing in certain companies.
Mostly this year I've been doing leaps. I'm up around like 128% on
Crazy.
my portfolio. So
Sheesh. It's a lot of information. It's a lot of risk involved. High risk, high reward. That's how we roll over here. Appreciate you guys for watching. This was the first episode of Stocks with Boogie, and we're gonna keep bringing you guys value with the stocks and let you guys know what stocks we're looking at, what stocks are going up, what stocks are going down. Yeah, that's all we got for you guys. Appreciate you guys for watching.
what's up?